Hey, this is Amol. As a part of CSE 548 Cybersecurity Lab experiment, I'll be performing DDoS attack on a web server and defending it using SNOT rules. The task 1 of this lab experiment is to perform DDoS attack on a web server. We have 3 virtual machines running over here. The first one is the Windows XP machine, which is a server. It has XAMPP installed on it, which is hosting a damn vulnerable web application. We have a Kali machine which will be used to flood the Windows XP machine with the TCP packets, and we have a Ubuntu machine which is basically a client used to access the web application using the IP address of the server. Now we'll be using this command hping3 to flood the server with TCP packets or SYN packets, which results in a TCP flood and eventually distributed denial of service. This command has various flags in it. -v stands for the verbose mode. -c with a huge number stands for the packet count. -d 120 stands for the data size. -s is the SYN packets. -w64 is the default TCP window size, that is 64. -p80 is the port number. Flood is the mode in which the packets are being sent to the server, and this is the victim IP address. We'll actually launch multiple instances of this command in order to perform a distributed denial of service, which results in a quick denial of service. So we'll be using various instances of terminals to run this command. So I'm using 3 instances basically to flood the server we have over here. So if you just see the Windows Task Manager, you can see that the CPU usage has reached the maximum, that is 100%. So the client will eventually experience some problems in loading the web application. So here you can see that the latency has increased and the web application is loading for a larger amount of time. And if there are like multiple requests coming from the same client or different client, the server is not able to serve these requests as all the resources are exhausted, and this basically results in the distributed denial of service. So I will just make another request in order to demonstrate that there are multiple requests coming and none of those requests get served. So we can see that there is this increased delay, and finally the Firefox can't establish a connection to the server. This is because the TCP packets are flooded into the server, and it basically can't serve the incoming request from the client. Now we'll just quit all these commands we have so that we are able to actually get back the web application and the server working. So right now it will take a short amount of time to recover, and later we'll be able to see that, yeah, the web application is basically up and working. So this Wireshark over here, which is running, can actually depict all the packets coming from this IP address 145, that is Kali Linux, to 153, and you can see that there are all these TCP packets coming. So this is basically a TCP flood which results in distributed denial of service. Now there are many ways to actually mitigate this attack, and we'll be seeing how to defend this using SNOT rules in the next task. Thank you.